Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for the headphones Realme Buds Air 5 Pro on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store. Now go to search, click on search line and write Realme link. Then click search and install it. Allow, not to track, agree, got it. Now choose your location and allow here. Click next, allow while using app, got it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!